Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm just going to show you this very simple, cute, quick bun tutorial. This is a hairstyle I like to do on bad hair days. As you can see, I'm definitely having a bad hair day. My hair is super oily, it's dirty. I haven't washed it in probably about a week now. So what I like to do is just go ahead and part my hair into 4 separate sections. Take my dim-in brush and my white tooth comb and go ahead and detangle my hair. Always starting from the bottom and making my way up. And I always stress this to you guys, do not brush your hair from the roots to the ends. You're just gonna pull your hair out like that. Unless it's already detangled, don't do that. When you detangle your hair, start from the bottom and make your way up. So once my hair is kind of detangled, I just like to take this dim-in brush and brush it out one more time. Do you see the poofiness is adding to my hair? My hair is a little oily, so it's more weighed down than usually. I do like to do this hairstyle when my hair is very dry. I know that sounds crazy because I hate dry hair, but this is one of them hairstyles where your hair has to be super big and poofy because we want big buns, okay? Now I'm taking my dim-in brush and I'm going to go ahead and continue to brush my hair out. My hair is already detangled, but I just want it to be super big, poofy, and voluminous. You could definitely see the difference on how poofy it has gotten. So now flipping my head over, I'm going to start to create my bun. I want the back of my hair to lay super flat, so I'm just going to keep combing and brushing until I feel like the back of my hair is as flat as possible. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie and go ahead and create a ponytail at the top of my head. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. Just kidding. And this is just water, you guys. Nothing else, just water. And I'm going to go ahead and spray this toothbrush. Now I'm going to start to create my baby hairs. Yes, time for the baby hairs. So I'm going to use my finger to help me direct which direction I want them to go in. And the edge control I'm using is this Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Edge Control, which smells so bomb. I just take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand and take it as I go. Just put a little tiny dab on each swoop or whatever you want to call them. And take my toothbrush and just brush it right in. So now that my baby hairs are slayed and laid, I'm going to go ahead and create my bun. I don't use any product for this. A lot of people love their Eco Styler gel to make their ponytails or any type of updos. I just take my brush and make sure there's no flyaways and I'm good. I don't know, I just personally hate gel. So next I'm just going to take my ponytail holder and start to create a ponytail, but not a ponytail. Not quite. You'll see what I'm doing. And so do you see how I pull it but not quite all the way out? Yep, so now I'm just going to basically stretch it out and fan it out, play around with it. Any hairs that are out of place, I'm going to take a bobby pin and just stick it right in there. And the type of bobby pins I like to use are the open ones. Those are best for this type of hairstyle. Do you guys ever feel like you go through a million bobby pins? I swear, there's 100 bobby pins in a pack. And I swear I'm buying a new pack every week. And then I'll find them when it's time for me to clean up or vacuum. So there we go, and that is how I do my bun. Actually, I think I'm gonna add one more bobby pin. But there you have it. That is how I achieve my bun. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for my next upload.